Last question type we have here, right from dictation. You will hear a recording of one sentence, and you should write the sentence down exactly as it was said. Tackle this question by taking notes very quick while the recording is played. If you're from that minority that get distracted if they write and listen at the same time and can't do that, then just focus on listening and memorizing. This can be made easy by picturing an image for that sentence in your mind. That helps you to memorize and also remember the sentence and kind of rebuild it easier. But again, it is advised to take notes, to try to write it down really quickly. You will get 3 or 4 of them. This again is a really good opportunity to gain some marks. The prompt will go on for 3 to 5 seconds only because it's only one normal sentence. There is no negative mark, so write all the words you think you've heard, as many as you can, but it should be in a sentence and the structure of one sentence. Partial credit applies for each correct word spelled correctly. This question type contributes to your listening and writing skills scores as well. Scores for this question come from your content. Content is scored by counting the number of correct words in your response in the correct order. You need to write down all the words and only the words in the recording with the right spelling in the right order to receive the maximum marks for this section. If some words are incorrect or missed, partial scoring applies, meaning that you lose a part of full mark. Okay, how to answer this question? You should write the exact sentence down with correct grammar and spelling, just as it was said in the recording. Write down the sentence either in your notepad or type it, whichever you're faster with. But also, while recording is playing, pay attention to the sentence in a way that you fully understand it, because sometimes the speaker speaks really fast and you're left behind in your writing. But if you really listen to the sentence and understand it, you'll remember what's been said, and you can complete the sentence yourself after the recording ends. Just remember, words should be in correct order. If you don't remember which word goes where, just use your common sense and common English knowledge. For example, we know that adverbs usually go in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Adjectives come before nouns and things like that. At the end, make sure to check your spelling. Make sure to have that full stop at the end of your sentence because it's supposed to be a sentence. If there's a word that is completely new to you, write down your best guess. Don't skip it. Try to guess the spelling. We talked about it before, how to guess the spelling. And it's a fairly easy question type to tackle. Okay, emergency. If you failed to listen to the sentence, didn't get most of the words, or any other reason that lead to not being able to write down the full sentence, don't skip the question. There are marks allocated to each correct word you write down. It's not like whether you get the whole sentence fully correct and get the mark, or miss a word and lose all the marks. Partial scoring applies in this question. Start your sentence with writing down as many words as you remember. You should remember a couple of words and try to write them in the same order. It should be in the form of a sentence, so don't forget the full stop at the end. Even if you remember 2 words, there are marks allocated to them. Use them.